Good morning. Welcome to KL2 Maintenance. Got a call this morning from a water treatment plant that their newly installed actuator on a 12-inch butterfly valve, their clarifier effluent valve, is not flow pacing properly. We're going to go take a look at that and see what's going on. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. And if I've already got 100 followers by the time I get there, then I'll go live and we'll fix that thing live, trace the wires, see where they go, see what we can do. If not, I'll just take some videos, pictures, post them a little bit later. We'll catch you guys there. Okay, so we're in here. We have got our Bettis M2CP EIM electric actuator opened up. You can see they've got it powered, but they don't have any of the signal and control hooked up. All this has been just terminated inside here, so we need to trace these out into the master control center that's right up there. See if we can get them hooked up. Unfortunately, when you get to a lot of water plants, this is some of the stuff you're going to run into. Let me get my camera turned around here. When everything has been modified, disconnected, reconnected, when you start trying to trace wires down, find out where they go, why something's not hooked up properly, you run into this kind of stuff. That's why you call me. I'll get it figured out, get it fixed. All right. Step out of this building here for a second. Let's take a look at what we've got going on here. Let me get this camera turned around. All right, so we got all this back up, hooked back up and going here. So we'll tell you a little bit about some of these terminals here. So we got a remote 7 and 8. And these is your remote 7 is your closed input. Remote 8 is your open input. And we got these 15, 22 through 25. And so 15 is your common wire for your manual button over here. It's for your stop, your close, your open, your push buttons. Right here we got stop, close, stop, close, and open. This is your controller. Of course, it's all inside the lid. And that's your 15, your common wire. You come over here, you got a jumper that's 22 over to 24, and that's a common wire for your open, close, limit switch, remote indication contacts. Your 23 wire is your valve closed remote indicator. 24 is your valve open remote indicator. And 25 is your additional status contact. What it's used for is mid-travel or immediate position. And so that pretty much takes care of all of that. Got everything wired up. Everything's working correctly, flow pacing like it should. And we'll wrap this thing up, call it a day. See you on the next one.